Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been stuck on the iOS 27 Siri AI waiting list for days, I've got some interesting news. According to reports from beta testers, there may be a workaround that lets you access Siri AI without waiting for Apple's approval notification. Now, before we begin, this is not an official Apple method. It's an unofficial beta workaround, so your experience may vary and Apple could patch it at any time. First, make sure you're running the latest iOS 27 developer beta. Siri AI is only available on supported devices and requires iOS 27 to be installed. The workaround that users are sharing involves going into Apple Intelligence settings, temporarily changing Siri AI-related settings, restarting the device, and rejoining the activation process. Some users report that Siri AI became available immediately afterward instead of remaining on the waiting list. However, here's the important part. Many other users have tried the same steps and remained on the waiting list, so this isn't a guaranteed bypass. From what we're seeing, Apple is still enabling Siri AI on the server side, which means approval is ultimately controlled by Apple, not just your iPhone settings. If the workaround doesn't work for you, don't panic. Many users are reporting approval after several days of waiting. Some got access after 3 days, others after 5 to 7 days, and a few even longer. My recommendation is simple. Try the workaround if you're comfortable testing beta software, but don't expect it to work for everyone. Remember, this is still developer beta 1, and Apple is likely limiting access intentionally to manage server load and collect feedback from testers. Let me know in the comments, how many days have you been waiting for Siri AI? And if you've already gained access, tell us your device model and how long it took. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS 27 tips and updates.